Yo, yo, we're live. This shit's, I'm not gonna be able to do a split. See if I could upgrade the plan right now. Nah. Shit, how am I gonna do this though? I'm gonna have to split screen it like this. Something like this. Let me fix my scene a little bit. Fixing. Canvas, background. There you go. That should be good enough. That should be good enough. You had a late start today. I was fucking deep as sleep. Deep asleep. What up? What up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. GM. Bro, I was deep asleep, bro. I had to activate my shit. All right. There's SMT at the lows. Bullish. Have we already tapped this? We haven't. We do have an order block here. I'm a heavily de-risk, by the way. I'm not gonna go for 300. 300 risk. I'm gonna risk like 150. Cause fuck December price action. Fuck December price action, bro. Mm, we're probably gonna trade FOMC today. We'll see what the charts have in store. Let me get more people in here. Let's get more people in here. Hmm. I think the higher time frame is bearish. See what happens. Yo, 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 what's up? Good morning, good morning. Yo, yo, yo. People on Insta, join YouTube. We're doing a giveaway. Giveaway on YT at spin it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't think we could go down to the seconds. Nah. I'm have to upgrade my trading view bullshit. I'm not gonna do that shit today. We do have a nice order block here. We do have bullish SMT. Also have it on the 3 minute. We're not displacing with volume though. We did get a sweep of London low. We did get a V-shaped recovery. We did get a 1 minute IFVG here. To all my brothers trading IFVGs. There's a nice entry for a quick 1-to-1. Played out. We do have a breaker right here, but we don't have a breakaway gap. For now, we're waiting. In trading, discipline beats emotion every time. Yes, sir. Are you in any trades currently? Nah. No trades at the moment. We're waiting for the unicorn. There's no unicorn yet. Let's look at the daily buys. We do have a massive, massive imbalance right here. Volume imbalance right there. A little skeptical about that. Um, they were saying that they're probably gonna cut the rates on FOMC later today, meaning that's always bullish bias for NQ, NES. So what do we expect going into this day? Maybe a little bit of chop. Like in the 1 hour, we're chopping actually. Some chop, but also some bearish manipulation. Coming FOMC 15 minutes after, then we want to see a bullish displacement taking those highs. We're probably going to trade FOMC today regardless of the macros. We are going to heavily de-risk. We're going to be risking 150 per trade instead of the usual 300. Because of December price action, we're going to heavily de-risk. All right. Just to keep refining our strategy, keep gaining conviction. What's up, Rodrigo? Bom dia. Took a trade last night. Everyone, that shit hit full TP. That's crazy. So you need one more trade. I mean, I don't think you can even trade today. No, I don't think you can trade today. You have to wait till tomorrow. I'm pretty sure because that counts as today. I think. Oh yeah, I'm not trading today. Let's go. One more trade. Or you could treat it as if you passed it already and just do normal trades. I don't know. That's just me though. Mm, still nothing. Kind of chop in big wicks. Are you gonna trade today? If there's a setup, maybe. Probably looking to trade FOMC today, but it's way later today. We'll see. We'll see what the first three macros have in store. We are chopping in the higher time frame. I'm trading a 50K account right now on Apex. By the way, use code MISC because we're partnered. I'm trading a 50K account right now. Let me put a cap on. Hold up. How's the market today? Kind of choppy in the higher time frame. Kind of choppy. Um, Still no breakaway gap yet. We do have this massive bullish order block. Let's see if it wants to inverse. Looking at the 3 minute, looking at the 1 minute. We are respecting this. Let's get my volume indicator. Hey bro, trying to get into trading. I don't want to, and I don't. What strategy should I try to learn? Any tips? I mean, if you're barely getting into trading, brother, you should first learn the basics. Um, You legit can find like a YouTube video of trading for beginners or something like that, so you understand what all these concepts mean: bullish, bearish, uh, what the candles mean, time zones, time frames, kill zones. I think you should learn the basics first, and once you get that done, everybody has a different route, right? Everybody learns differently, but I would start by learning ICT. I will learn the mentorship, the 2022 mentorship. This macro is too slow. Yeah. You and I have a good, but I still come watch because it feels like FaceTime. Yeah, a lot of people tell me that. They say it's like trading with a friend. Hell yeah. I mean, at the end, I hope y'all like could take away. I mean, regardless of what happened yesterday, everything that happened after the fund, it doesn't count. By the way, that's not me. But the main takeaway from here is like the discipline to wait for your strategy is what I try to enforce. What's up? What's up? What broker do you use? Right now, I'm using TradingView. I'm trading an Apex account, code MISC on Apex, code MISC on Apex. But join the stream on YouTube. We're doing a giveaway. Hmm, kind of just chopping. The 5 minute doesn't look too appetizing. Let's look at what ES is doing. Yeah, nothing too interesting on ES. ES did leave a breakaway gap right there. Should we give it a smack? We do have the bullish, the bearish breaker right here. That swept the lows. And Q is displacing lower. Maybe if we inverse this 1 minute, maybe we'll try. Maybe we'll give it a try. A try. Even on Monday, price went to TP after that break even, bro. I know, brother. I opened short. Alright, careful, bro. I'm waiting, bro. Nothing for me yet. I'm waiting. Mm, kind of chopping though. Yes, did have a unicorn entry. Let's see in Q. We inverse. See if we inverse this IFFG. Oof, we're getting a nice displacement. We might look to long here. Let's do three cons. Props, wait for candle close. It's already too far in the range. Let's see if we could get a better entry. If it doesn't just like display without us, I might just play this differently. I do have this high as my target. Might look for a quick 2 to 1. It's already fucking displaced heavily. I'm in there. Let's put our buy stops on this high. Our so limit right there. And let's see what this is probably like a 1.1 to 1.5. Just about a 1 to 1. See what ends up happening. When is Powell speaking? Later today. After the third macro. Like in lunch, I think. We're back into the IFVG. Let's see if we could do a re-entry to adjust our stop loss. Let's wait for the candle to close. Let me look at the chat. I was looking at the chat. I tried to get into this earlier. What did you take this off? I took this off ES, respecting a beautiful unicorn right here. Specifically on the 3 minute. We have our breaker block and we have our breakaway gap. Look at how it respects 3 times. And then I went back to NQ to the 1 minute and I waited for this inverse because price was down here. I waited for this to inverse and I entered off the inverse. We're getting a nice respect. Might add 2 more contracts here. Let's add 2 more. Oh no. So I don't know how to fucking use TradingView, bro. Like, how do I put the 5? Oh no. Modify units 5. Confirm. There you go. Modify. Let's do 4. Confirm. Let's see if we could sweep this high so we could adjust our stop loss. But we want to see it a nice push higher. This is an eval. We want to see those highs get taken. Probably put our stop loss just below. Damn, these dotted lines suck. Not that thick. There you go. We added more position. We respected this IFVG very nicely. Never close below. I do want to see that push higher so we could adjust our stop loss. Let's see what happens. I am not a financial advisor, by the way. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just vibing. I'm legit just vibing. Please assume the risk. Do not full port my trades. Because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. Hopefully this one plays out. You want to see it take that high so we could adjust. Yeah, we don't know what we're doing either. Fair enough. Just risk, lower your risk is what I'm trying to say. Because it's December price action and that shit is whack always. You want to see this high get taken, bro. So we could adjust our stop loss. And that high gets taken just below this low. We've de-risked, making this a valid 2 to 1 right here. Once we take these highs, I'm moving to break even, but we're getting a nice push, nice displacement higher. Late today won't be trading because of FOMC, bet, fair enough. Once we take those highs, I'm moving to break even, but we're hodling this position. And we're going to leave a runner. Let's take a quick screenshot. We want to see those highs get taken so we can move to break even. Yo, good morning. Been forward testing, really good, happens in 5 minute. FG, after starting the bias, you look for 15-minute FG inside that. I mean, yeah, the higher the time frame, the higher the probability. IVG entry, yeah, in this case, yeah, because we had a nice unicorn on ES right here. We have this beautiful breaker. Inside, center. Wait, let me look at the trade. M and Q. We had a beautiful unicorn on ES. I'll explain it right now. But in this case, I was waiting for the IFVG because we were trading down here on NQ. Waited for the IFVG to enter. Stops below the low. We already swept internal, short term. So I adjusted my stop loss. Just gonna let it play out. I'll explain it after the trade. I just want to see this trade because I am recording. Let's see what happens. Doing a giveaway today. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is comment on the stream. If you comment once, you automatically enter, but you have to be subscribed. This all the trading streams are on my YouTube. All my trading streams are on the YouTube. I do recommend watching last week's and 2 weeks ago streams. All starting from Monday, we took some nice unicorns. I think it will reverse. Hopefully not, but we're holding till our stop loss. Why is eval trade fire? But when you go unfunded, it's like shit. It happens. I mean, maybe unconsciously it does fuck with my head, maybe. But here, I mean, we started de-risking. We opened more contracts when it came back to our entry. You want to see that good push? We're not scared of some bearish candles. If it wants to inverse and take us out, it takes us out, and that's that. But we're holding. We are hodling. We've already accepted the risk. Price could do whatever the fuck it wants to do, bro. This is a fresh account, so I'm not too worried about nothing. I'm not too worried about it getting stopped here. I'm not. If we get stopped, we can wait for the next macro, and that's it. It's not the end of the world. I'm not full porting this shit, but hopefully it plays out. I really hope to win because I need to get. Yeah, I saw that shit. That's crazy. Just watching price do its thing. I just hate the past few days on 5 minute candles. Looks very chow, very big whips. Yeah, yeah, it's been like that. Hopefully we're chilling. I see MCQ, MCQ. If you know, you know. MCQ. Why didn't you put break even? Not yet. I want this high to get taken to put the break even. More than 50% of the range. Internal liquidity. What is this fib tool? Can I reset? There you go. Internal liquidity more than 50% is where I move to break even. We're getting a nice push off our entry. December PA got me waiting, wanting to sleep till January. For real, bro. Trying to hibernate and shit. What about when the macro time is over? Are you gonna sell wherever we're at? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depending on what price is doing. But yesterday, for example, macro was over and we were chopping brutally. So I did flatten my position. Right now, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. There's still a couple more minutes for the macro. I do want to see some bullish candles print here in the few. Put the fries in the bag, buddy. For real, dog. For real. I might have to. How the week going so far? What day is it? It's Wednesday. Trash, bro. Took 2 L's Monday, Wednesday. No, on Monday we took a break even. Never mind. Monday we took a break even. Yesterday we took a no. The macro's just about finished. 5 seconds. We're getting some bearish candles printing. We've already established our risk. If we get stopped, we get stopped. Not the end of the world. And we just wait for that next macro to look for a trade. God, this trading view trading is sketchy as fuck, bro. Cause the price is hella moving and the candle is almost static at times. And it randomly just appears, teleports to the next place. Sketches me out. And I'm just looking at the price. I mean, green numbers, that's a good thing, right? We're waiting. Price is just chopping. Hopefully we do get a nice displacement. We want to see a push. We want to see it break those highs. Specifically this one, so we can move to break even. Even though I lost on trade, I'm oddly emotionally sound. I'm not mad that I got stopped because the setup was good. Can't be mad, brother. It's just another setup for your journal. But yeah, we are kind of chopping. Still confident that it wants to push. We're getting a nice push higher. We want to see it continue. We want to see it sweep those highs. See what happens. Shift nice. I mean, yeah, it's kind of chopping. Yeah, I hate trading view. Yeah, I might have to pay for that shit because I don't have the 2 minute candle. I can't see ES. No, I'm on NQ. I think you I could see no top left right here. NQ. I'm in NQ. I'm in Q. Looks like no trades for me. The price action is zesty as fuck. Yeah, kinda. Yeah. Yeah, we are just chopping, but I'm holding. Hopefully, we could break off this chop, tap those highs, and I'm more than happy to move to break even. But yeah, this trading view shit is kind of delayed. I might have to pay for that bullshit. And those discounts, I missed them. Getting a nice push. We want to see it keep going. We want to see it keep going. I see you scratching your neck out of distress. Nah, I'm chilling. Feeling pretty emotionless, I'm not gonna lie. Oof, just about almost swept. We do want to see those highs get taken. I'm not gonna move before. We've already assumed the risk. Let's see what happens. I'm holding. Maybe a long trade to get that TP. We're getting another nice push. Kind of just chopping though. I'm not too married with this shit. Hopefully we could sweep those highs so we can move to break even. But price could do whatever the fuck it wants to do. What's up? What's up? Chill, brother. Chill. Did we sweep? We did sweep. I'm gonna move to break even right there. You want to see keep pushing higher, hopefully. Do some. Nah, I don't take profits early. I mean, this time I'm trying to take a runner, leave a runner. But let's see if it plays out. I'm already break even, risk free. Are you doing a giveaway? I need to make 10K before Christmas. Yes, I'm doing the Apex giveaway. Remember, it's any account. Bro, I was looking to pass the 300K on Apex, you need to make $20,000, bro. Hell nah. Hell nah. I'm gonna stick to my 50Ks, brother. But yes, we're doing the giveaway for Apex. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment on the stream. You have to be subscribed if you want to enter the giveaway. And if you want to support me, I'd appreciate it if y'all like the stream as well. If you want to enter the giveaway, you just have to comment once. If you already put good morning, you've already entered, but you have to be subscribed. $20,000 doesn't mean I'm full porting every A plus setup. I mean, sometimes we get dizzy and we start thinking everything's an A plus. Wait. There's a 90% discount on Apex right now, bro. 90% discount on Apex. Holy shit. Code MISC if you're gonna use the discount code MISC on checkout. 20K is crazy, especially with the intraday trading drawdown. Yeah, shit's crazy. The drawdown is like 7,500. Pretty sure. There's a 90% discount on Apex right now. Using code MISC. Code MISC. Type it in the chat. Hella choppy price action. If you get stopped, you get stopped. Bro, what is your this year's net profit? Nah, brother, I'm an unprofitable trader. No profits for me. I'm still in the journey. I'm still in the grind. We might get stopped here. It's all good. We are break even. I think what I'm gonna do. I mean, we're about to get stopped out, and that's it. Choppy ass trade. I'm gonna wait to the next macro. If y'all want to stick around, you can stick around. It's about 20 more minutes. I'm gonna take a shower, bros. I'm gonna take a quick shower. Still gonna monitor the trade. So I'll be right back. Give me like 20 minutes. I'll be here in the next macro though. Stick around. We're doing the giveaway. We're doing the giveaway. Let everybody know we're doing the giveaway. All right, BRB. Yo, yo, yo. We're back. What the fuck? What an exit, bro. What a fucking exit. Feeling hella fresh. Renewed. We're chilling. What did ES end up doing? ES still doesn't sweep. I mean, wait, what? He did sweep. Wait. Did NQ? Was NQ the one that didn't sweep? NQ was the one that didn't sweep. Hmm. Oh my. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pay for that premium shit. Hopefully there's more discounts. Probably wait for the discounts. We are back. I'm a beginner. Which plan to choose in Apex, please? If you're a beginner, I would suggest you start with the 50k. I feel like it's the best, well-rounded. Remember to use code MISC on discount on checkout to get that discount. Code MISC. But I would suggest you get the 50k. 90% off right now, bro. Holy shit. I'm gonna have to cop a couple myself. I'm not gonna lie. Getting ready for 2026. 90% off evals, bro. Holy shit. Code MISC. I want a free challenge. I've been following you for some time now, man. I just bought that Ego book. All you have to do is be subscribed and comment on the stream. Esteban, what's up, brother? That's all you have to do. But there's a 90% discount right now on Apex, which is fucking wild. I think the 50Ks are gonna run you for about like 20 bucks or something. And I'm pretty sure there's no activation fee, bro. That's what trips me out the most. Code. We're doing a giveaway, Apex account giveaway of any size, but there's a 90% discount right now with my code. Check out. I don't make any money off this stream. If y'all want to support me, you can with that. No act. Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. Wait. Wait, let me verify, bro, because I don't want to spread misinformation, but I'm pretty sure there's no activation fee, bro. Reset. Uh-huh. I mean, I'm pretty sure. Let me look in the dashboard. Wait, give me a second. Let me verify this information. Shit, I can't even access. No fee. Yep, that's what I'm trying to find out. Give me a second. Don't fall for the bait. It's because I'm pretty sure they removed their activation fee. I saw in an email I got a while ago. I want to verify. I stuck with that idea. Oh, there you go. Let's see. For the 50K, I don't know. Wait. I'll check right now. I'll check right now. I want to put a banner. Let me see if I could put a banner so we could look professional as fuck. What time is it? 2 more minutes for the macro. Let me lock in real quick. Nah, I couldn't put a banner. I'll verify right now that activation shit, but I'm pretty sure there's no activation fee. But I'll verify. Give me a second. How does the giveaway work? All you have to do is comment on the stream and subscribe. You have to be subscribed to enter the giveaway, but all you have to do is comment once and you enter the giveaway automatically. We're gonna do it later today because I know some people. Yeah, the dashboard is not working. That's why I can't verify. It's probably down or it's probably like saturated because I just got the email like 15 minutes ago about the 90% discount. I'm 100% sure people are feasting. What's up? What's up? All you have to do is comment to enter the giveaway. Macro's about to start. We had another sweep of liquidity. We still don't tap that London low. We have bullish SMT again. The nearest order block is up here, so kind of sketchy. We do have, however, here a bearish paired with the gap. I wouldn't trade it though. 90% on Apex with code MISC. Y'all can check it out using this link. Y'all support me right there. Is there any other firms with discounts? I'm pretty sure I have another affiliate link, but I'm pretty sure there's discounts right now with Alpha Futures as well. You could check if it works in your city, but I do have a code as well. There you go. There you go. 90% discount right now using code MISC. The activation fee, I'm not sure yet. The fucking dashboard is down right now. Alpha is not available in the Philippines. Shit. What do you trade with, Sam? Just wondering. Mm, this is fucking wild, bro. Like, I want to show y'all the email I got, but y'all have to make sure you are using code MISC. Which APIN plan do you use? I use the 50K. 90% discount right now. Yeah, use the 50K trade of 8. Yeah, exactly. Oh, no, yeah, there's an activation fee. There is an activation fee. This email is weird though. I'm not sure if it's 65 bucks for the activation. Here it is, look. Let me just show you the email, bro. Oh, they're 20 bucks, bro. But right there should be all. The offer ends December 16th, bro. I'm gonna have to cop a couple, bro. 20 bucks is just nuts. One day to pass plus $60 resets of pricing to allow. One day to pass, lifetime PA fee discounts, regular PA fee returned afterward. Yeah, it's 65. 65 bucks. That's what I was seeing too. I mean, that's a hell of a deal if you ask me. 20 bucks to try and pass them, and if you do pass them, so total it's 85, right? The no activation from Top Step, for example, is 80 bucks, bro. So with $20, you get a chance to try for evals. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty fucking good. I'm actually gonna stack accounts for next year. That'd be dope as fuck. 20 bucks, let's see. Maybe 5 accounts for 100. That's not too bad, bro. 'They do have three options. They have the rhythmic, they have the wealth charts, and they have Tradeovate. You can use Ninja Trader. You don't have to use TradingView. I mean, Project X is fucking crazy and super good, but it's only for Top Step as of now. And I think Alpha has it as well. 20 bucks for the 50Ks is fucking nutty. We did have a 5 minute unicorn right here. Not too confident though on the setups. We are getting a nice displacement, however, off it. Maybe target London low. I don't want to remove any of that. Can remove this, remove this, remove this, this. We did have a nice displacement, however. One to 1.5 would have been the trade. See if we could get back to entry. Perhaps, but we are getting a new displacement. Dodge the previous day low. It's going. But we did have a bearish unicorn. And of course it's playing out beautifully when we don't participate. It's our break even. Wow. Just at the start of the macro, we had a 15-minute clean power of 3. That's TP. That's fucking crazy, bro. Clean power of 3. Hold up. Oh, I think with the VPN you do get. Man, the last trade we were break even. Why weren't you focused on the trade? Shit, my bad, bro. Left without us. Saw good. We had a clean unicorn on the 5-minute, on the 3-minute. Very clean. Setups appear all the time, yes sir. Very fucking clean if you ask me. But yeah, this was the trade to take for sure. Does the 1-minute unicorn on NQ look good? I feel like it's too zoomed in here on the 1-minute. But if you notice on the 3-minute, I think the 5-minute was the cleanest. We have this mitigation block right here. It's an order block, comes, sweeps some internal lows, displaces lower, leaving a breakaway gap. Macro starts, price comes, manipulates perfectly into the breakaway gap and displaces with no drawdown. These are the high fit, like These are the deliveries we want, you know? These are the real A plus setups when there's no drawdown. When it sweeps the low and you can move to break even because price shouldn't come back like it didn't come back here. Clean delivery. We missed it. That's why moving to break even is important. I took a trade earlier. We had break even. We missed a trade, a unicorn here. We were distracted. But these are the clean trades. Are there more lows to take? They are. There are. If you want to enter the giveaway for an Apex account of any size, all you have to do is comment on the stream. That is all you have to do. Comment on the stream. You have to make sure you are subscribed. Subscribe and comment on the stream if you want to enter the giveaway for the Apex account of any size. We're gonna do another giveaway tomorrow, so if you don't win today, we're gonna do another one tomorrow. We're not gonna have repeat winners. Once the giveaway, I mean, I'll see. I'll probably wait till the last macro to get more people in here to give everybody a chance. Crazy nice displacement. This is a perfect unicorn, bro. We missed it. It's all good. Perfect unicorn right here. When price delivers efficiently to the take profit, to the draw on liquidity with no drawdown. Those are the trades you want to take. That's why you move to break even. That's why you adjust your stop loss. Because these are the trades you want to take. Where it just displaces with no drawdown. When price delivers efficiently. Clean as fuck. You have to make sure you're subscribed and just comment on the stream if you want to enter the giveaway. We might trade FOMC. Still 3 more hours for FOMC, but I might do the giveaway before. I'm gonna do the giveaway in the next hour. Within the next hour. You're trading the third macro? I'm a lurk. I'm a lurk to do the giveaway. But we had a beautiful, beautiful unicorn here. We did take a trade this morning, break even. As you can see, it taps our break even zone. We were targeting this high right here. Never reached, as you could see. But once we took these highs, we moved our stop loss to break even, and it took us out break even. It was a nice exit because it ended up displacing. However, here in the second macro, we missed the unicorn on the 5-minute. We were distracted. However, you could see as the macro starts right here, 10:45, a beautiful power of 3. Price comes. Price taps and displaces. Play me in chess, no bullet. I'll play you in a bit. Hold up. What what time variation do you want to play? A blitz? Classical? Rapid? I took that when 5 minute was tapped. I waited 2 minute IVG, but with the small size only. It was beautiful. Beautiful unicorn. Textbook unicorn right there. And we didn't take it. CES. Yes, still doesn't sweep the low. I can't see the 2 minute candles here on TradingView. But I mean on the 5 minute, that shit looks clean as fuck if you ask me. Clean as fuck, bro. That's why I love the unicorn, dog. When it's clean, it's clean. And these are the trades you want to take. We missed it unfortunately, but it's all good. But it's all good. Nvidia is falling. I think it may go towards Friday's lows. I mean, we are gonna get FOMC. I mean, I think we already swept all the lows, no? We swept this week's lows already. Yup, we're right at the bottom of the week. We already swept last Friday's lows. On NQ at least. Still a long way to go down. I mean, FOMC, most likely rates are gonna get cut, meaning we're gonna flip bullish. We are in the discount. I am predicting FOMC to be a bullish. I feel like all this is just gonna be manipulation, generating liquidity all the way to this high. Generational longs, perhaps. Yeah, I am gonna trade the FOMC. I'm gonna stick around for it. But I'm gonna do the giveaway in the last macro just to give people more time to hop on and get a chance to win. What you have to do to enter the giveaway is just comment on the stream. If you comment once, you enter the giveaway, but you have to be subscribed. If you want to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed. Comment once to lock in your entry, and that's that. Nice fucking unicorn right there, bro. Textbook. Look at the yes. We're getting a nice displacement. I don't know how comfortable that'd be to take a unicorn to the flip side. 3 minute. We still have bullish SMTs. We are leaving a unicorn right here. Breakaway gap. We do have our breaker block right here. I'm looking for a unicorn always. I'm always looking for a unicorn. There's a unicorn right here. Breaker block paired with the breakaway gap. 2 minutes for candle close. How comfortable am I on taking it? I'm not too sure. After we already printed this 5 minute to sweep the liquidity. We'll see right now a 3 minute candle close. What would the trade look like? It would look something like this. Below the low. Ideally you want to target a 2 to 1. Maybe that initial high you were targeting earlier. We'll see. We're still not gonna enter the trade. You know, wait for the candle to close to leave the gap if it's even gonna leave a gap. Oof, this will be beautiful. About 40 seconds here for candle close. I mean, we could give it a try. Same thing, low risk. Probably gonna do 3 cons. This is what the trade would look like, ideally. Just gonna let it be. If we get tapped, we get tapped. Crazy. In the macro is about to finish. Might be a little too optimistic. We get a tap, but we do have a unicorn. We do have bullish SMT still. Oh, we just have to wait and see if price wants to tap us in. We do have this bearish OB. I'm in the 3 minute right now. You can see it here on the top left. I think you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna give myself one more candle. The macro's about to end. I'm gonna give myself one more 3 minute candle. I am expecting some sort of reaction from this bearish order block, but we might cancel out this trade if it doesn't play out because the macro has just finished. I mean, ideally we would have to move our stop loss here to the next gap. Something like this, but if we get another displacement candle higher, I'm gonna exit this last 3 minute candle. There's a 2 minute. I can't see the 2 minute unfortunately because I'm a brokey. Cancel the trade. Not gonna enter. The trade has been canceled. We're gonna stick around. We're gonna wait for the last macro to do the giveaway. We are going to wait for the last macro to do the giveaway. Getting a nice push. 15-minute unicorn, maybe? You know what it means when there's SMT with NQ and ES? Yeah. So for example, ES didn't take this lows, but NQ did take the lows. That's a bullish SMT. And look at what price is doing after that. Generating bullish SMT, liquidity sweep. Price displaces the opposite way. I mean, if you're waiting for the kill zones and you're an IFVG trader, you enter here, stop loss at the low, and IFVG traders like to trade one-to-ones, probably this high. Just made 2.5k from that trade. Looks pretty clean to me. Here, your TP starting to reverse. Nice, bro. You already won big, bro. Lock out. You're done for the day. Bro, I want to trade FOMC. You already won big, though. Or do you want to give it all back? Or maybe trade an eval? Maybe. Maybe. tried trading the IFAG, but didn't for the long run. For me, I just gotta stick with the unicorn. Yeah, I'm sticking to the unicorn as well. I'm not gonna switch nothing. What a pump. What a fucking pump. A lot of buy side. We're even gonna. We have 15-minute CRT. We might even have. Oh, I got scared. We might even have a 15-minute unicorn. Let's see what happens. 20 more minutes for the next macro. We're waiting. We are big chilling. Played soccer yesterday. We finally won, bro. Finally. Trying to get some sunlight. Does it look bad? Yeah, it's too bright on camera. Too bright. It's been raining hella over here. Not hella. This beauty always sleeps with me. She's chill as fuck, but she's blind and old and deaf. She is blind as hell. Blind as a bat. But I love her though. We're pumping, boys. We're fucking pumping. Nice little CRT 15-minute. Breakaway gap on the 15-minute. Paired a unicorn with the 15-minute. That's crazy. $15 million unicorn is crazy. We're gonna do the giveaway in the last macro. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed and comment. We're waiting. A 15 minute unicorn's crazy. I want to see what happens with this 15 minute. Actually, I'm intrigued. We swipe all these lows from the chop, manipulating. You have a lot of buy side to take. Bro, how could I take these fucking. Uh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, I'm done for today. Tomorrow again. Alright. What is this 15 minute gonna do though? We have 15 minute TRT. A lot of low resistance liquidity right here. Is it going to leave a 15 minute gap? I've never had a 15 minute entry, but that would be crazy. Nah, that's crazy. That's too much, right? I think that's too much. 15 more minutes for the macro. We're gonna do the giveaway on the last macro. There's also a 90% discount going on Apex at the moment. We big chillin'. Still waiting for the macro. We are going to do the giveaway in the last macro, by the way. I'm starving though. 15 more minutes, 12 more minutes I can hold. I am gonna stick around for FOMC just to lurk, but I'm doing the giveaway in the last macro. Looks like we are going to leave a gap. It's gonna be real juicy. We do have a lot of buy side liquidity. Minutes, 11 more minutes. Patience, patience. 10 more minutes. We are gonna do the giveaway in the last macro. So we're gonna stick around for the macro. We're gonna see if this unicorn, this 15-minute unicorn, is gonna play out. I do plan on taking it. Quite honestly, I want to see what this higher time frame unicorn is gonna do. I'm very interested to see what it's gonna do. We are gonna take it. Of course, if we get tapped, could do the giveaway in the meantime. But we're waiting here for the last macro. Let more people join. If they join, damn, I wanna like full port on account on FOMC with the 90% discount. Ugh. 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes. We're waiting. We are waiting. Fuck. Oh, and that's it. Oh, y'all weren't able to see. How much is the activation fee on Apex? It was $60 last time I checked, I think, right now with the discounts. So the account 90% off, right? The accounts, the 50Ks are $20 and the activation is $60, bro. With code MISC. You want to support me? You can use the code MISC on checkout. I make no money off this shit. I make no money off this stream. Is what I meant. But if you want to support me, you could use that code. and or you could use this link. Check the deals, 90% off right now. Like I said, I am going to stock up on accounts on Apex for 2026. I just passed my funded account for that, bro. Let's fucking go. That's dope as fuck, brother. It's a great feeling. Great sign of relief. Your unicorn strat is crazy. It's not mine, but it is crazy, bro. It is fucking wild. So clean, so clear, so satisfying to take. 5 more minutes for the macro. I want to take this 15-minute unicorn just to see what's up. I'm going to target these highs. We did have our market structure shift above. We had a CRT. We had, what else did we have? We have our breaker block. We have our breakaway gap. If it leaves the breakaway gap. But we'll see. 20% discount right now. I mean, 90% discount on fucking Apex, bro. 90% discount is just nuts. I'm trading an eval right now. I'm trading an eval. We're de-risking right now, December. I am not interested in fucking trading full size right now because price action has been whack. But I still want to take setups. There's been clean unicorns. We had a clean unicorn in 5 minute in the second macro. Clean unicorn right here, which we didn't take. Ugh, nasty. Stop right there. TP right there. Just about. If you put it right here, 1 to 1.5. Put it above the body, you get your perfect 2 to 1. Just clean unicorn. How you doing on your eval? I just started it. I literally just started it today with you guys. I had a break-even trade, which was our first trade. Right now I'm looking to take my second trade. Let's see if we leave this gap open. 3 more minutes. We are getting the manipulation lower, which is nice. So we don't get a whack entry. 3 more minutes for the macro. You want this to leave a gap open so we can enter. Targeting these highs. I am going to do a giveaway right here in the last macro. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed and comment on this stream. 2 more minutes. We do want to see this gap open. We do want to see this gap stay open. The market's the one, no one to buy Christmas present this month. For real, bruh. Tell me about it. We are going to do the giveaway. All you have to do is comment. Alright, I already let the people know we're doing the giveaway. If they join, they join. If they don't, they don't. I do want to take this trade though. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna do like 3 cons. Let's wait though, let's wait, let's wait. Where am I gonna put my stop loss though? You have a lot of gaps. We have a lot of gaps. 15 seconds. Still leaving that gap. 10 seconds. Let's do it. Just about there is our entry. See if we get tapped. We got tapped. We want to target these highs. Our stop loss. We'll leave it open for now. Wait, we were actually targeting these highs, right? Yeah, we were targeting these highs. At least the 2 to 1. I don't want to see it displace lower than this. I was targeting these highs. Just about right there. Yeah, let's put our stop loss here. I'm gonna put my stop loss here. That's the trade idea. Let's see what this 15-minute unicorn has in store. I could sell 2 here and leave 1 up here. I'm gonna do that. Maybe too hopeful, but how do I enter the giveaway? You have to be subscribed and you just have to comment on the stream. That's how you enter the giveaway. There's a 90% discount right now on Apex if y'all want to take advantage of that, because I am. We do have a 15-minute unicorn here. We do have this bullish FVG. Not the best risk to reward. We leave it up here, it's decent. But we do want to see this 15-minute unicorn. I want to see what it does. Is it a higher probability? We do have a 15-minute CRT. We do have bullish SMT. We have a lot of bullish confluences stacking. So let's see what happens. Instead of play out. Once we take these highs, or this high specifically, we adjust to break even. This is our break even. I just entered off the 15-minute unicorn in this case. You can enter on the 15 and 5-minute time frame too. I mean, the unicorn, it's fractal, right? So it could happen in any time frame. I'm usually looking from between the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute for entries. But in this case, we had it present in the 15 minute. This is my first time trying a 15-minute unicorn, but it looks super clean, super clean. There's a lot of bullish order flow stacked with this unicorn. We have CRT, candle range theory, with these three candles. 1, 2, 3. 15-minute CRT right there. We have bullish SMTs. We have the unicorn. I'm doing them on the 1 minute. They work on the 1 minute. This was on our first trade. This was our initial take profit. So I'm going to target that. The last take profit's going to be up here. Let's see if it plays out once we take the high. Shit, I did not mean to do that. This is what I want to move. Take a quick screenshot. This is our break even. Quick screenshot again. See what happens. Looking good so far. Can you explain CRT? You can enter on unicorn times fractal, bro. Exactly. If we take those highs, moving stop loss to break even, yes, sir. Can you explain CRT? Yes. CRT is three candles. All right. CRT means candle range theory. All right. So CRT is the power of three with three candles, right? We have our accumulation with this first candle. We manipulate the second candle, taking that first candle's low. And then the third candle is the distribution candle. It closes the body of the third candle, closes above the body of the first candle. So we have clear signs that price wants to displace higher. I don't know if that made sense. But for example, right here, we have three candles. 1, 2, 3. This is not CRT because this candle, this third candle, did not close below this first candle. So this is not a valid CRT. But this, however, is a valid CRT. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Valid CRT. Hey, I just want to go get back and redo the process on this trade. All right. So right here on this trade, we have a beautiful bearish order block. Price comes and sweeps the liquidity here on the left, right? From this bearish order block. But when we sweep that liquidity, price comes and inverses this order block. This makes it a breaker block. BB. Right? This is a breaker block. Does that make sense? That's our breaker block. And when you pair a breaker block with a breakaway gap right here, there's a breakaway gap right here. So this is our bag. When you pair the breaker block with a breakaway gap, you could see we had a market structure shift as well here. This is the unicorn. This is the unicorn. Basically AMD, yes sir, power of three. One last thing, how can you find order blocks quickly? I want to get better at that. So an order block is basically, for example, in this case, it's a bearish order block, right? I mark this as an order. Everybody marks order blocks out differently. All right. This is my way of marking the order blocks out. A bullish candle engulfed by a bearish candle. So you could see this bullish candle closes bullish and the next candle displaces and closes below. This makes it an order block, a bearish order block. So I'm always marking out order blocks. This is a bearish order block in this example. We're getting a nice, beautiful displacement, by the way. Do silver models still good in 2025? I mean, 2025 is just about over, and I think that's good enough to move to break even right there. Risk-free trade again. So the silver bullet is more of a time frame, like between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. of New York. This will be a bullish order block right here. Just this one candle is what I mark out. This will be a bullish order block. So, like I was saying, the silver bullet is more of a time frame, time alignment type shit between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. And what you want to do with the silver bullet is usually between that time you want to find the power of three, or you want to find a change in the state of the delivery. You want to find a market structure shift. You want to find um, any entry model to take you to the opposing draw on liquidity. That's the silver bullet, basically. I used to trade the silver bullet. It got very confusing to me. When I started trading the macros is where I got more clear headed. Thank you once again for explaining everything easily. Yes, sir. No problem, brother. So I do want to see the P&L just for the video, but we're getting a nice displacement higher. Can you come live in London session? Shit, I don't know about that, brother. I don't trade London session. I trade strictly New York. But there's also some good macros in London, I'm aware. But so far we're getting a nice clean trade. Right now for December price action in this eval we're de-risked. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Are these reliable cues for bullish unicorn? 100%, brother. I mean that's basically the unicorn, right? A low and a high, and then you place a lower low, which is the manipulation, and then the higher high, which is the distribution. Usually leaving a breaker block here on the left, like in this case, we have a high, we have a low, and then we have our lower low, which sweeps liquidity, and then we have our higher high right here. Pair it with a bag, pair it with the breaker block. What strat? The unicorn, brother. Do you think the price will crash when Powell talks later? I mean, I've heard that they're gonna cut the rates, and when they cut rates, that's bullish order flow for Nasdaq. So I wouldn't say they're gonna crash. I mean, I do assume there's gonna be a lot of movement and a lot of manipulation, but in the end, if they do cut the rates, I do expect bullish order flow to take control. Rates are already priced in at 25 BP cut. We're staying in this rally. Yeah, I think so too. We've been hella bullish these past weeks. I don't see that slowing down anytime sooner or whatever. But we want to see it keep Displacing higher. We got a nice entry inside of that bag. We're already break even in the trade. Risk free trade. We're gonna get a new hour candle open. See what happens. I predict that price will have bullish order flow when the edges are cut, then crash when Powell talks. We'll see what happens. Man, I'm feeling like full porting a fresh new account with that 90% discount, bro. I feel like blowing $20. Yeah, it's just volatility traps. Yep. You want to see this next 15-minute candle take us to that first take profit. I really wish I took this trade. No FOMO, brother. No FOMO. This is just take this as conviction. Conviction that the unicorn works. No FOMO. It's just conviction. There's the unicorn works, brother. It always prints. It always shows up. Take it as conviction. We want to see this next 15-minute candle take us to our take profit. 90% discount where, brother? I have it pinned in the chat. It's on Apex. $20 for 50k evals, brother. It's pinned in the chat or on Apex Trading. Code MISC, you get a 90% discount. Code MISC. I want to make myself. You should definitely get the book Trading in the Zone. I think I have it downstairs. Oh no, it's right here. This that book. Find this guy on YouTube. He has a lot of good conferences. But if you want to start reading some trading books, start there, brother. Trading in the Zone. TP at London lows. I mean, we're in longs right now. We're gonna do the giveaway once this trade is over. I'm expecting this 15-minute candle to take us to our first take profit. Ideally, of course. If we get stopped at break even, we get stopped. That was a good try. I have Mark Douglas, Trading Psychology. Gonna have to fully watch it. Yeah, he has a lot of good talks, bro. A lot of good conferences. Sometimes when I'm doing whatever, like just editing a video or gaming or whatever, like I have those on the side monitor, watching and listening, just trying to brainwash my brain constantly. I mean, I've been pretty down to the wire in the sense that I'm very, very disciplined in finding the unicorn. Do you have a full in-depth video of the unicorn strat? Yes, I'll link it in a bit. Give me a second. I will for sure link it. I mean, I don't know if I have a video, one video, but I have a YouTube channel that a trader, he trades the unicorn, which is who I learned it from. ICT Fanatic is the GOAT. I'm gonna link to his channel. He's a unicorn trader advocate. Check him out. It's right there. Watch all his videos. He has some sauce. Feel like trading is 80% psychology based, 100%, brother. The strategy, there's a chicken on my Instagram reels that's profitable, bro. Like it's all risk management and psychology. That's all it is. Like strategy, reading the price action, finding the unicorn, There's people that trade supply and demand, trend lines, order flow, volume, ICT. This like the strategy chart wise at the end is not the most important part. The most important part is risk management and psychology. But we're holding this trade. We're holding. We want to see that first take profit get hit. If we get stopped at break even, we get stopped. That chicken that's profitable, bro. Fuck that chicken. You should try the first percented FVG. It's powerful. I mean, like I said, I already have my strategy, the unicorn. I'm not gonna change it. I'm gonna probably trade this my whole life, or at least the whole 2026. I started trading this around November. At the beginning of November is where I said, all right, I'm just gonna trade strictly the unicorn. And ever since I've been forward testing it. So I still have very little data, but I've gotten a lot of high conviction of finding the unicorn, and I trust it, and I'm gonna stick to it. So it's just like picking one thing. Do you know how I could get my strategy and how to start? I mean, I did link a YouTube channel there if you want to watch it. I'm sticking to only this strategy, unicorns in the macro. That's all I'm trading. Yeah, ICT Fanatic also teaches risk management so much sauce for sure. How do you place your stop losses and take profits on TradingView? You have to right click and put a sell stop right there, and then sell limit. You want to see us push higher eventually. We are generating this low resistance liquidity up here, which I want to see get taken. We have a nice little V-shaped recovery. I do want to see this highs get taken. I appreciate you, gang. Yeah. I trade the ATM model. Perfect, bro. The key and the idea is sticking to it and having the patience to wait for your strategy to pop up. Waiting for that shit to align. Having the patience is key. I'm gonna do the giveaway in a bit here. Want to see what this trade does. We're holding. We're hodling on. You want to see that first take profit taken. I'm gonna go now. GG, well played. All right, Sam. Take care, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Have a good night if it's night over there. Does price have to be between the recent imbalance gaps or just in one of the candles? The recent imbalance when developing a bias. Be between the recent or just one of the candles of the recent imbalance when developing. So when you're developing a bias, you do it based on off imbalances, and usually you want to see, for example, if you're looking at the 4 hour, the current 4 hour candle has to be inside of an imbalance. If it's in an, for example, in a bullish fair value gap, like here in this case, but it's the candle is still open, we always assume that it's going to respect the imbalance, meaning we're always going to be bullish until that bullish imbalance gets disrespected. But if, for example, we've just inversed an IFVG, right? We just inversed an imbalance. Fuck, I need to explain it with the charts. I'll explain it right now. I'll definitely go in depth on it. We're waiting here. You want to see us get pushed higher? Getting a long trade. This per value gap is our last defense to push the price higher. And we actually might get stopped here. We're gonna do the giveaway here shortly. Damn, we got two break even and missed a good setup in the second macro. Yeah, it's all good though. It's all conviction at the end. The great was looking great. Yeah, it was looking good. We're waiting. We still don't get. We might get stopped out here yet. We're gonna do the giveaway here shortly once we get stopped. We are going to do the giveaway here shortly. Not losing is winning. Yeah, we're chilling, bro. This is an eval. We're not tripping. Like I said, all this is generating high conviction, bro. We wanna have a good 2026, bro. All this is just I'm looking at it as a test, as preparation for 2026. We're chilling, bro. The year's about to be over. We're not getting the best displacements. We're not getting the best price action here. We're just generating conviction for 2026. How do I enter the giveaway? You've already did by commenting. You just have to comment once and you enter the giveaway, but you have to be subscribed. How did you get better at being disciplined and having better psychology? Um, I mean, you do get tired of yourself. You do get tired of the bullshit. You do get tired of disrespecting your rules. How many times have we not said, like, bro, if I only follow my rules, I would be profitable. If only I had followed my rules, I would have won the trade. If only I had followed my rules, we always say that, bro. So this is just me actually seeing what happens when I follow my rules, right? I mean, I still make a lot of mistakes. I still make a lot of human errors, but those are things within my control. At least I have the patience to wait for the setup. If I fuck up the setup because I move my stop loss too early or because I entered late or because whatever, but those are fixable mistakes, right? You journal it and you can fix it. I watched the stream from yesterday, man. Bro, what happened after the funded account never happened, alright? We don't talk about that. I mean, I'm chilling. Like I said, like I'm happy. For example, with the funded account, we didn't blow it in one trade, right? We it lasted 3 weeks, 4 weeks. You want to last on those, right? You want to find your setups. We had very bad luck. We had very bad trade management, but we were disciplined enough to wait for our setups. I'm not tripping. I'm not sad. I'm not frustrated. I'm nothing, bro. Like, shit, if only y'all knew how many fucking funded accounts I've passed, bro. How many funded accounts I've blown. Like, fuck, another one to the belt. It's nothing, brother. I'm actually emotionless now. Every single one of those is a learning lesson. When are the macro times? It's the last 15 minutes of an hour and the first 15 minutes of an hour. So 9:45 to 10:15, 10:45, 11:15, 11:45, 12:15 is the macros. I get my first payout next week. Need 2 more days. All right, brothers, stay locked in, disciplined. Don't go for the payout. Go for good setups, good risk management. Don't deviate from your plan just because you're gonna get a payout. All right, careful. For been there by your side, blowing 50Ks. Yep. I mean, you become numb at one point, right? But you don't want to make that numbness into whatever. I'm just gonna blow every account I get. You want to turn it into fuck, bro. Like I actually want to make these last. I actually want to be profitable. I actually want to make this shit work, right? Like I said, I'm barely in my second month with sticking to the unicorn, sticking to the strat, and in within that time frame, I passed like two funded accounts. We got close to we were 1 day away from a payout. Our high from the account was $2,200. We were one trade away from a payout. That's all a unicorn, right? Following that, I made a lot of mistakes, a lot of human errors, but the unicorns happened. They happened. The A plus happened, but my trade management was garbage, right? I moved to break even too early on Tuesday on one trade, took us out on break even, and took a trash setup on the second trade. So should have been done in that first trade. On Wednesday was the same thing, bro. We already had our win. We didn't exit. We held. We moved back to break even. We took a shit trade on the second trade. We that second trade shouldn't have happened, but it happened. And on Thursday, we waited patiently for the last macro. We had a trash entry and a trash exit on the macro, but it happened. If I attune those mistakes, if I iterate upon those mistakes, if I fine tune those mistakes, I know I could be profitable. But it's all patience and it's all time and it's all conviction, right? I have a lot of conviction in my strategy. I have a lot of patience to wait for it to happen. It's all conviction. I'm not too worried here about December. I know I've had some back-to-back losses. I'm not worried about that, right? We're gonna start the road to glory process. We've already restarted it a couple times, but we have to be disciplined until it works. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna put the fries in the bag like people are telling me. I'm not going to. Did we do the giveaway? Not yet, brother. Not yet. Let me get my water. Hold up. My lips are dry as fuck from all this yapping. Price just kind of paused. Yeah, it kind of slowed down. We're holding though. Mm. You being disciplined and having a strong mental will make you profitable. I know it will. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time, bro. I'm so excited for 2026 for real. Like for social media wise, trading wise, it's looking bullish, bro. Exercising wise, I have a lot of plans with this social media shit. make a lot of content. Maybe not educational content because I'm not there yet, but just like all this is just for the journey, right? The hero's journey, like documenting every single step of my journey. And eventually, whenever I do make it, I have all this data, all these recorded vlogs, you know, of how I got to where I got because I know I'm gonna get there. But everything's a process, right? Everything's a curve. Because most of the time, what we see on social media is people when they already made it, right? No volume in the market right now. Yeah, kind of slowed down. I'm holding though. Just started trading in October and I love it so much. Oh boy, you're in for a journey, dog. 2 months. We're about to get stopped again here, and we got stopped. That's it. All right, let's do the giveaway. Last chance to enter the giveaway. If you want to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed and you have to comment on this stream to enter the giveaway. All right. I'm gonna start doing the giveaway right now as we speak. I do want to remind you that we're doing this Apex giveaway. They're the fucking goats for making this happen. It's all them. Thank you, Apex, for making this happen. There's a 90% discount going on Apex right now. Use code MISC if you want that 90% discount, bro. The 50Ks are $20, bro. I'm gonna take advantage of it. If y'all want to take advantage of it, use code MISC. There's a pinned link in the chat. Better luck next time. Nah. We're not overly attached, bro. It's not luck. It's just data, bro. We're good. Everything's good, brother. We're not overly attached. All right. Code MISC. I'm gonna stack up. Probably gonna buy 5 accounts. Probably gonna blow $100 on Apex. We'll see. All right. Are y'all ready for the giveaway or nah? Damn, I always get nervous on these giveaways, bro. I'm always fucking excited. Let's do that giveaway, bro. I always get nervous, bro. Should I give 1 or 2 accounts right now? How many people do we have here? We have 38 people. Let's see how many entries we get here. 1 or 2 accounts. Let's see. All right, this is your last chance to comment and enter the giveaway. Your last chance. 2 accounts. Give 2. Ooh, I'm so nervous, bro. I'm so nervous. 2 accounts? Alright. We're gonna do 2 accounts. We're going to do 2 accounts. If I don't win one, my family is gonna lose. Bro! Alright, last chance to enter. You have to be subscribed. Alright, let's get it. Entries are closed. Entries are closed. Are y'all ready? Are y'all? No, bro. No, I'm so nervous, bro. I'm so fucking nervous, dog. Okay, so in total, 83 people commented today. So we're gonna have 83 entries. Alright? If somebody wins and they don't claim their prize, I'm gonna respin, alright? Because 83 people were in here, 80 entries are closed. Ready? Alright. Let me make sure y'all can see this. Bro, I'm so nervous, dog. I'm so fucking nervous. Oh! 5 seconds, bro. I saw this guy here in the chat. Pavansai, congratulations, brother. I saw you in the chat. Congratulations, dog. That's one account. We're gonna do another spin. Send me a DM on Instagram, please, brother. If you can't, send me a DM on Instagram. We're going to give away another account, alright? How to enter? You just have to be subscribed and comment. We are going to do another. We're going to give away one more account, alright? DM me on Instagram, brother. Congratulations. DM me on Instagram. We are going to give one more account. Comment it up. You should spin the wheel. Let me see. Can I do that? If you want to enter, you just have to comment and be subscribed, alright? We're gonna spin the wheel one more time. I'm gonna give one more account. We're gonna do another giveaway tomorrow, so if you didn't win today, don't worry about it. It's Christmas. We're doing some giveaways, brother. Comment it up. We're gonna close the entries. You just have to be subscribed. Just comment it up. Let's see if I can spin the wheel. Let me see. Oh yeah, we could spin the wheel, bro. We could spin the wheel. We're gonna do a 20-second countdown. How to enter, just comment and subscribe. Comment and subscribe. That's it. That's all you have to do to enter. Can't sleep because of the giveaway. Comment and subscribe, alright? Comment it up. Lock it in, lock it in. We're about to close the giveaway. Lock it in. I sent a message on Instagram. Alright, I'll reply to you right now, brother. Don't worry about it. I'm not gonna dip. Last chance. I'll check it right now. I'll check the message right now. But comment it up. Last chance to enter. Subscribe, whatever. 10 seconds, bro. Ready? Alright. Bro, my mom is starving. I need it. Alright, that's it. We're gonna close it. We're gonna do a spin the wheel. We're gonna do a 20-second, bro. And we're gonna spin the wheel. I am homeless. I need to win. Oh, I can't spin the wheel, bro. Can I spin the wheel? Wait. We're having some technical difficulties with the spin the wheel. Get ready, bro. Can I do spinning names? Oh yeah, I can. Ready? Gold. I always get so nervous, bro. I always get so nervous, dog. I want everybody to win one. Alright. Like I said, if you don't win today, you're going to get a chance for more giveaways tomorrow, because I'm gonna give away more accounts tomorrow. Like I said, W Apex for making this shit happen, for giving me the accounts to give away. They do have a 90% discount right now. $20 for 50k evals. If y'all want to stock up, you should get 50 Apex accounts right now. Chill, dog. Chill. W Apex. Use code MISC for that discount. I have a link pinned in the chat. Alright, we're gonna start it, bro. We're gonna start it. I'm so nervous, dog. I'm so nervous. I don't even want to click it. Alright, ready? Oh my god. We're gonna shuffle it. Shuffle. Ready? We're gonna spin, bro. We're gonna spin. I don't even want to see, bro. Oh, Fernando Guerra. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. This gotta be rigged, man. No way to rig it. Congratulations, brother. Shoot me a DM to claim your prize. Free Apex account of any size. My mom is having dinner today. birthday. All right, if y'all want to, if y'all want to fucking win an account, make sure to tune in tomorrow. We're gonna be doing more giveaways. We did 2 accounts today. One more? Nah, 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 nah. We want to save them. We want to save them. Tune in tomorrow. Tomorrow. But that's it. Message me. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. I did end up taking the trade in this last macro, and we got stop break even. We had 2 break evens today. We missed a trade on the 5 minute, a beautiful unicorn right here. We just about missed it, but it was a clean 2-1 right there. We missed. Beautiful 5 minute unicorn. It was a good day for high conviction. We want more. Tune in tomorrow. We're gonna give away more accounts. No begging in the chat. No begging in the chat. We're gonna do more giveaways. It's Christmas. I'm feeling generous. Stick around. Stick around, alright? I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm not gonna fucking trade FOMC. I'm actually done. I'm starving. I wanna go on with my life. Alright, GG's. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tune in. We're gonna do the giveaway, alright? I love y'all. W's in the chat. Code MISC on Apex. 90% discount. I fucking love y'all. I truly do love y'all, alright? Code MISC for that 90% discount. Alright, take care, brothers. I love you.